Hi, welcome to Study with Demo YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to create React app with Vite. Let's start. First open Google, type Vite, go to Vite website, click on get started, scroll down. Here you can see the steps. Vite requires Node.js version 18 plus or 20 plus. First check our Node.js version. I already installed React version 22. So now let's start. Copy this command, paste here, enter React project name, enter. Here you have to select framework. I am selecting React, plus enter. Here you need to select variant, whether TypeScript or JavaScript. I am selecting JavaScript. Your project folder is created on desktop. Now open the Visual Studio. Open the React project folder. Now go to terminal. You need to execute these two commands. First, npm install, clear. Here you can see node modules folder. Now check npm run dev. Now we will validate. Copy this link and paste in browser. Here we can see Vite plus React. The project got successfully created. That's it. Thank you for visiting Study with Demo YouTube channel.